Welcome to Excalibur Las Vegas. This place gets so much hate. We've been to Las Vegas about 200 times. We come out every 2 weeks and we stay up and down the strip. But we have been to Excalibur, now this is our 7th time in the last 12 months. So why do we keep coming back to this budget hotel? Well, keep watching to find out why. I really like the casino at Excalibur. It's massive. There's over 90,000 square foot of gaming space here. They have all the machines, old and new, plenty of table games for you to choose from. And really, it's the atmosphere that draws me in. It's very open and well laid out. There's good music playing. And a recent renovation is they added the center bar right in the middle of the casino. So you can be playing table games or at a slot machine, and then there's a live DJ playing there at nighttime, so you get all of the activity and people watching that you might want as well. Excalibur has 4 pools that are spread over 30,000 square feet of deck space. Now they do have one pool that has a water slide for the kids, but they also have an adults-only pool. The adults-only pool, though, you do need to make a reservation and book a cabana, a day bed, or some chairs with an umbrella, so it is not free to use that space. Now, if you're in the main pool areas, there's not a whole lot of shade, so make sure to plan accordingly. They do have 2 bar areas out here and a restaurant, but you can also order food directly from your seat. So they have a QR code that you can order from. Now, I love the deck space here. I love the pools. It's a great area to come and hang out for an afternoon. Near the pool area, you will find a gym. It is well equipped and very well utilized. It's time to take you on a tour of the room. We stayed in the Royal Tower, and while both of the towers are in need of renovation, the Royal Tower is the worst of the two. It has not been renovated in quite some time, and it is very obvious. The furniture is very outdated, the color schemes are outdated, you're gonna find nicks and scratches on the furniture, but the one thing that I can say is that the rooms are very clean. We have stayed here so many times and never have we encountered a dirty room at Excalibur. And that goes for the bathrooms as well. All of the tile and the wallpaper is super outdated. The bathroom is very clean. And I think that's what's the most important thing for us when we're coming to Las Vegas, is a clean room. Let's talk about the restaurant options at Excalibur. So we are right in front of the buffet. This is open for brunch only, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. And as of June 2024, during the week Monday through Thursday, it's $31.99. And on the weekends, it is $37.99. Now this is actually a decent buffet. We had it ranked higher than both MGM and Luxor in our buffet video, where we compared all the buffets on the Las Vegas Strip. So on the casino floor, you're going to find restaurants like Tap Sports Bar. They have everything from burgers to wings and salads. There's also Dick's Last Resort. Now, if you want to be abused by your waiter, that's where you're going to go. It's lighthearted fun. Hawaiian pig tacos.
Got it. 3-1 dumbass. Put that shit down and tell me the truth.
And then also on the casino level, that's where you're gonna find Baja Fresh and Johnny Rockets. Now, up on the 2nd level, they have Buca di Beppo, which is an Italian chain restaurant.
This is also where you're going to find the food court, and the food court has everything from Del Taco, Popeyes, Fat Burger, and a bunch of others. Now there's also 2 Starbucks here at Excalibur, one that's on the casino floor and one on the 2nd level. The Excalibur is located on the south side of the strip. So you have New York on one side and Luxor on the other side. You're also kitty corner to MGM Grand. But one of the cool things that they have at Excalibur is that there is a walkway that goes between Excalibur, the Luxor, and Mandalay Bay. So in the wintertime, Las Vegas can get down in the 30s, and in the summertime, it can get up to about 120. So having this interior walkway that connects the 3 properties is really nice to avoid that weather. But also out front, there is a free tram that will take you between the 3 properties. So it makes it fun and convenient to go between all 3 casinos if you want to just go and check them out. There are quite a few entertainment opportunities at Excalibur. So first you have the Tournament of Kings. This is a dinner show. It's great for families because they have jousting and horse riding. It's just a fun, entertaining show. But they also have the Thunder from Down Under, which is great for girls' night out. It is male strippers. They have Matt King comedy show, Australian Bee Gees, and they even have a Spice Girl tribute show. If you are going to come to the Tournament of Kings show, the entrance is inside of the Fun Dungeon. Now that is right below the casino level, and it is this huge arcade area. They have everything from video games to carnival games, and a whole lot of games where you can win tickets and change them in for prizes. It's a huge fun area for kids or for adults who just like to play video games. Excalibur opened up in 1990, and this is when they were building hotels in Las Vegas that had themes to them. And today, it still carries the castle theme throughout Excalibur. Clearly on the outside, it looks like a castle, but even when you come into the front entrance, you're going to see things like stained glass windows, huge chandeliers. If you look up at the ceiling, you're going to see these round towers. And this just carries through the properties with little pieces of decoration throughout. They also have names of different places that carry that theme as well. Things like the Fun Dungeon or the Dragon's Lair. There are a few places where you can find some nightlife here at Excalibur. So first you have the Thunder Bar. It's up on the 2nd level, and they have a DJ that plays Thursday through Sunday. And that place can get pretty lively at night. A lot of people go up there and just having a good time. Now they also have the new Center Bar that's right in the middle of the casino. They also have a DJ there on Friday and Saturday nights, and it can be very lively, and even if you're just in the casino, you can enjoy that music as well. Now there's also the lounge. The lounge has live music, but they also have karaoke here Thursday through Monday nights. So there are a few options there, but if you're just looking to grab a drink and hang out, there are bars scattered throughout the hotel. At the beginning of this video, I talked about how much hate the Excalibur gets. And I see people comment all the time like, I'd rather stay at the Venetian, I'd rather stay at the Wynn. Well, I'm reviewing a Toyota Camry, and that's like saying, well, I'd rather drive a Ferrari. Well, of course, if you can afford to drive a Ferrari, you have no business looking at a Toyota Camry. But Excalibur, we have stayed here not just one night, we have stayed here 3 nights on this trip, and this is our 7th trip in the last 12 months. And I will tell you that every time we've stayed here, we've had a clean, safe room, the bathrooms are clean, there is a lot to do here. Now, of course, it has wear and tear, the decor is outdated, but this is a budget hotel, and there's so much to offer in this budget hotel. So I would say if you are looking to save some money and book a budget hotel, this is a good option for you. But now, if you can afford that Ferrari, I want you to watch this video.